Hello, my name is Felix Gabriel. My student ID 152408007. I'm a student in the informatic department. I'm honored to have the opportunity to present my work um, on simple present tense. Okay, next. What is simple present tense? What is simple present tense? Simple present tense is a tense used to express events that happen regularly, routinely, or habitually in the present. When is present tense used? Present tense is used then one to express a general event on fact that is happening right now. An addition simple present tense is also used conditional sentence type 0 and conditional tense type 1. Sentence patterns follow by simple future tense. Okay, next. Formula simple present tense. The simple present tense formula is object plus verb 1 plus complement for positive sentence with verbal patterns. If the pattern is nominal, then the present tense formula becomes subject plus auxiliary verb plus complement. Okay, next. What is simple present tense formula? In a verbal sentence, after the subject will be followed by a verb be. Meanwhile, in nominal sentence, after the subject will be accompanied by a non-verb, which is commonly known as an auxiliary verb or to be. Okay, next. Nominal simple present tense. This formula simple present tense. Okay, here is simple present tense formula that you can use. Yang positif, subject plus to be plus complement. Negatif, subject plus to be plus not complement. To be plus subject plus complement. Examples of simple present tense with nominal present tense. Okay, positive. I am an international school student. Negative. She is not an international school student. Is the international school student. Is who? Yeah. Next. Verbal simple present tense. Simple present tense. Verbal example. This formula of simple present tense for verbal patterns is plus subject plus verb 1 plus complement, negative subject plus does not, plus verb 1 plus complement, Do, does plus subject plus verb 1 plus complement. Simple present tense verbal example. I write a letter for my teacher. I don't write a letter for my teacher. Do I write a letter for my teacher? Okay, next. Positive, affirmative, simple present tense. Just like normalis, verbal sentence also have positive forms as we discussed earlier. Examples of simple present tense sentence. I live in Jakarta. He live in Jakarta. Okay, next. Negative simple present tense. For the negative and interrogative parts of the sentence, use do, does, or do not and does not example. I don't live in Bandung. She does live in Bandung. Okay, next. Simple present question interrogative. In the interrogative sentence pattern, it is patterned into two parts, namely yes no question. Do I work? Does he work? Okay, next. Function of simple present tense. Writing simple present tense in sentence form has several functions, including okay, express emulation feelings. The first function of the simple present tense is to express expression of feeling three, four, then you want to express. Your expression is and feeling through sentence. You can use the simple present tense. Comment, introduction, simple present tense sentence also function to express comment and an introduction of after the often see a comment of introduction using simple present tense sentence. Okay, next. Simple present tense pattern. Tense are part of basic grammar. When studying tense, we will come across the arm first person singular plural, second person singular plural, and third person singular plural. Okay, next. First person singular. First person singular is the first person point of view in the case referring to the speaker of right. In first person singular, the pronoun used is I, the self is the subject, using me, my, mine. In the self is the object and showing ownership. The situation test usually occurs in the use of first person singular is when you want to introduce yourself or want to explain about yourself. For example, if it is the subject, my name is Hana, I live in East Jakarta, and mm, my name is Felix, I live in um, East Ambawang. Okay, next. First person plural. The pronouns used For person plural are we if the subject, us if it is the object, and or ours if it shows ownership. Example sentence subject. We are from Bandung City. Example sentence SN subject. He tells us about old house story. Example sentence owners. She is our doctor. Next. Second person. Second person is the point of view of the second person. The person we are talking to. The pronouns used in second person singular are you if it is the subject, yours, yours, if it is to show ownership, just like we, our, ours, you, yours, also means you singular or you plural of the way you know is by understanding of context of the what is being said. Third person singular. The pronouns used in the third person singular are he, she, it. The situation is when we talk about someone who is not present among us. Third person plural. The pronouns used in the third person plural are they, them, here. The situation is when talking about more than more person, two or more people who are not present. Okay. Express emotion and feeling. The person function of the simple present tense is to express expression of feelings. 3, 4, then you want to express expression and feeling through sentence, you can use simple present tense sentence. Command instruction. Simple present tense also function to express order or instruction. So we often see an order of instruction using simple present tense sentence. The shouldn't event. The next simple present tense sentence function is the express an event that will be held in the near future. General truth. Simple present tense also have a function to express a truth that is around us. Repeated action. The last function of the simple present tense is to show activities carried out the life. Uh, okay, thank you everyone. This is my present Kasi. Thank you. Hello, my name is Felix Gabriel. I am from Informatic Department. Today I will give my opinion about the dangers of smoking out in the campus area. First, let's consider our health. We already know negative effect of cigarette smoke, shock as heart disease, lung disease, cancer, and stroke. But in the case, it is not only smokers who are affected by passive livelihoods from cigarette smoke can. Smoke can also harm the people around them, especially those who have those who have asthma and allergies to cigarette smoke. We need healthy and safe place to study, work, and socialize. In addition, smoking does not affect our health. Cigarette butts and smoke damage in environment. We all seen the little cigarette butts filling up around campus, and the damage caused by the toxic ceramic chemicals in them can last for years at a time. When we are all accountable to care more about the environment, smoking is a bit that directly damage the beauty of the environment we all share. Lastly, lastly, a smoke-free campus will create a clean environment. Students who have respiratory condition allergies feel comfortable in place where smoking is allowed. To create a welcoming campus environment for everyone, we need to consider the comfort and health of our students. Thank you.